During this holy holiday season, we bring you greetings from the campus of Davis and Elkins College.
We are standing in one of the common areas of Glory Residence Hall, the first new residence facility on the D&E campus since 1970. It is a beautiful addition, and the initial residents moved in on November 2nd, and they are loving their new home.
In this Christmas season, how appropriate that we are sitting in a place named Glory. At the dedication of this facility in October, we heard from Kathy Dunbar Ramsdell, class of 74, who described why she named the hall Glory when her generous gift brought with it the naming rights. She said that we come to know God through God's glory. Could there have been a more glorious occasion than when God became flesh in a vulnerable little baby? Through that baby, as he grew, God was indeed revealed as never before. Christmas is all about Emmanuel, God with us.
The Christmas message reverberates across the world, a message of love, peace, and goodwill to all. Here at D&E, we are so blessed to have 21% of our students from 45 countries representing 6 continents. We ask a few of those students to remind us of the worldwide impact of the Christmas message as they share their holiday greetings in their native languages.
Ik wens jullie allemaal gelukkig kerstfeest en een gelukkig nieuwjaar op naar een mooi 2025.
Frohe Weihnachten und ein gutes neues Jahr.
Herkesin yeni yılı kutlu olsun.
Feliz Navidad
Y próspero año nuevo para todos.
Καλά Χριστούγεννα με υγεία σε όλους.
Καλές γιορτές.
Και καλά Χριστούγεννα.
كل عام وانتم بخير وعيد ميلاد مجيد.
Ich wünsche euch fröhliche Weihnachten und einen guten Rutsch ins neue Jahr 2025.
On behalf of all of our students, we thank you for your continuing love and support of Davis and Elkins College. Like our students communicated so beautifully, from our home to yours, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.